Okay, for the extras, I'm going to start out by showing you how to do some lights that are coming off of the wall and then shining down on your piece of artwork. So these are pretty easy to do. If we want something mounted on the wall, we do have to have a vertical line, just like we do with our canvas here. So I'm going to start out by drawing a little vertical line, and then I'm going to draw kind of a backwards D shape as kind of my light fixture. And I'm going to have a line that comes out and then down. And then I can draw kind of my lamp shade here. So if you would like to have some spotlights coming down on your artwork, you could do that. If you want the track lighting, which has multiple lights kind of on it, we have some track lighting over here in front of our bulletin board. We can do that, but we do need to use our vanishing point. So I'm going to start by getting myself a diagonal line. Okay, if I want it hanging down from the ceiling, I can draw some vertical lines with my little ceiling mount here. I need to make sure that those are parallel to the side of my paper. Otherwise, my track lighting will look like it's kind of falling off the ceiling, and we don't want that. Okay, so then you can draw your little fixtures. Okay, maybe I want this one pointed a little more directly at the painting, so I can make that adjustment when I draw it. Like that. So you can add some lighting to your art gallery. We can add artist cards, like the little name tags that kind of tell what the artwork is or who it's by. And we're going to do that in the same fashion that we did with our canvas here. We're just not going to draw this little side that's kind of popping out because artist cards are pretty flat. So I'm going to start by drawing 2 vertical lines. Then I'm going to connect those to my vanishing point. And then I can fill in my artist information here. Now, if you're doing this though and you're writing your words in here, you want to make sure that you're still using your vanishing point. So you're going to write your words in perspective. So let's have it say artist, and I'll just put Mrs. K. So by writing it along those lines that are going to your vanishing point, it's going to look like it's still in 3 dimension. Okay, so you always have to use your vanishing point. Okay, I'm going to switch over to another sheet of paper here. If you want to do a short podium because you're doing a large sculpture, all right, we're going to start out in the same manner with a rectangle, but we're going to make a very small rectangle. So I'm not going to make it very wide because I want it to be really short. Okay, the sides are going to be vertical, straight up and down.